All right, boys and girls, chapter 6 is called Elmer to the Rescue. You can see that old alley cat still there. The dragon is on his way to find Elmer. And it sounds like they're going to get together. Elmer to the rescue. Dawn brought Saturday to Nevergreen City, and Elmer slept snugly in his comfortable bed. He was suddenly awakened by a damp, cold kiss on his cheek. Yay. Wake up, insisted a voice. He opened his eyes and muttered, It's Saturday, no school today. Elmer, wake up, said the old alley cat, the same old alley cat that had told him all about the dragon and how to rescue him. Elmer, we've got work to do. I just saw the dragon fly into the park. He must be in trouble. We'll have to hurry to find him a hiding place before the city wakes up. The dragon? Why, he only just brought me home. Elmer jumped out of bed and into his clothes and tiptoed down the stairs, with the cat following behind. Silently they crept out the front door, down the porch steps, and into Evergreen Park. You look this way. I'll go down the other way, said the cat. Where do you think you would hide if you were a dragon? Where could a dragon hide, wondered Elmer, looking at the rows of trees along the walks, the scattered rocks, the pool, and then at the place where the city was going to build an amusement center. A big steam shovel sat idly on the spot marked out for foundations. Elmer liked steam shovels and was just thinking of exploring this one when the shovel jiggled a bit. That's a cool hiding place. The dragon! He climbed up quickly into the cab. Elmer, whispered the baby dragon. Oh, Elmer! And the dragon burst into tears because he was so glad to see his friend. The alley cat saw you fly into the park, explained Elmer, hugging the dragon around the neck. But why have you come back? Are you in trouble? Terrible trouble, groaned the dragon, and he explained what had happened to his family. You'll help me, won't you? He pleaded. Of course, said Elmer. Let's think out a plan. I suppose we'll have to wait until dark to leave. I suppose so, said the dragon sadly. But you'll be able to rest right here, said the cat, who had found them by this time. It's Saturday, and the men won't start work today. I'll keep meddlers away. Meanwhile, let's work on the plan. The three friends discussed the problem all morning. Then Elmer went home for lunch. His mother was used to his long, early morning walks, but she'd be suspicious if he didn't turn up for lunch. That afternoon, Elmer took all the money out of his tin bank and went to collect the things he would need. Boys and girls, it sounds like we have another list to make. So I'm going to get my paper out here, and I will start making a list as I read it for you. I should have had my markers ready. Okay. So, he needed 16 whistles of assorted tones. So that must be that some of them are higher sounding than others. Some of them are lower sounding than others. And all in between. He needed 16 horns of assorted tones. Why do you think 16 whistles and 16 horns of assorted tones? I should do better than to write and talk at the same time, huh? And he needed one cap pistol with caps. Okay. And he needed one ball of heavy string. It's a blueberry smelling marker, boys and girls. You want to smell it? And he had to bring 6 large chocolate bars. I am all for that. And 3 boxes of Fig Newtons. Those are very good cookies. I wouldn't mind going on this trip with them, boys and girls. It sounds like it's going to be a very noisy and delicious time. All right. He found his very sharp jackknife. That jackknife has really served him well. This is a weird word because it has 2 K's right next to each other. Isn't that strange? But it's a compound word, so it's got jack and knife. And took a flashlight from the kitchen drawer. Another compound word. Flash and light. Then he carefully packed everything into his father's knapsack and went down to supper. He had $7.36 left over from shopping. I wonder why they mentioned that. Let's just make a note of that. That he had $7.36 left over from shopping. So he took all the money in his tin bank. He bought the whistles, the horns, the cat pistols, the ball of string, the chocolate bars, and the Fig Newtons. And after he spent all that money, he had $7.36 left. The jackknife and the flashlight he had already. Okay. I wish you guys were here with me to do this. All right. Elmer, what have you been doing all day? Asked his mother. I haven't seen hide nor hair of you except for lunch. Oh, I've been over in the park looking at the place where they're going to build the amusement center, said Elmer, which was true in a way. At last, the moment came to sneak out with his knapsack and join the dragon at the steam shovel. As he ran down the path, he saw the old alley cat waiting for him. I'm sorry you can't come too, said Elmer, climbing onto the dragon's back. So am I, said the cat sadly, but I'm too old. I'm better off taking care of your mother and father. They do worry so. Well, goodbye, good luck. Goodbye, whispered Elmer and the dragon as they flew up in the air. And there's the cat saying goodbye. The next chapter is called The Dragons of Blueland.